Hello, welcome to my unboxing. I'd like to just jump right into it. Yeah, I got my box today, and I'll show you guys what's inside. It came from Canada. I think it went through the US before it got here, and I ordered from SSENSE, SSENSE just a few days ago. And when they got my order was processing, it came here in maybe 2 or 3 days. So I have really good service so far with them, and I got a good deal on it. This bag that I'm going to show you guys, it is the YSL UPTOWN pouch, Croc white, and it's something I've had my eye on for a while. So look at this, looks very clean so far. I'm really excited. I've had my eye on it, and you know, things are really hard right now with our coronavirus. So I also just had my birthday, so I've just kind of been treating myself as I'm on my own here. So I thought, why not just go with it? And I had it shipped here to Scotland. So yeah, I can tell it's gonna be a beautiful Saint Laurent box. Very cute. It feels nice and sturdy. Yeah, it says Lauren UPTOWN pouch and Croc white. It's an Essence one. So let's just open this. You guys are seeing it first. Oh, we have a dust bag here. I'm really excited about this because it's summer 2020, this pouch, and it was sold out in the US and in the UK where I live. So here you guys, woo, look at her. Wow, stunning. I'm very happy with this so far. Yeah, and the price is so good. I mean, free shipping and just what it was at YSL. Wow, I'm really loving this embossing. Like, the texture gives it more than just the single color, and it's a kind of white gray almost, but oh, it feels nice. And yeah, she is lovely. I love it. Like, it's like a cool, it's like hot white. It's like hot, like, you know, burning hot white. It feels amazing. It does, what is that? Is that maybe from my own makeup already I got on me? So yeah, take a look. Strong magnet. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with our phones, ladies. You know, we don't want to, ladies and gents, we don't want to have any issues with demagnetizing anything. But I do see maybe a small scratch, but I wish you guys could feel it. It feels amazing. The stitching, if you want to take a look. Yeah, but I really wanted to do a video on this item because I didn't see it anywhere else on YouTube, and which makes it more exciting to have something that, you know, is different. But I thought there was some value in showing you guys my new baby. So yeah, like, this is her. And yeah, I think white is just really in right now. We were seeing it a lot in the runways recently with gosh, I'm having a hard time thinking because I have to run in a few minutes. But with Alexander McQueen was doing a lot of white dresses, and like all over white is really in right now. And I just find this is really pretty. I don't have anything white and silver in my bag collection, and I've been wanting a clutch because my everyday handbag is a little bit too big when you're going on a date or like just doing something kind of fun. So I think she's gorgeous. I was kind of thinking, oh, white, it looks like maybe like an envelope, maybe like literally like a post envelope, but I don't know. I think that it will look great with any outfit that's black or nude or just really anything this summer. And I'm really liking the Croc. I think I'm into animal print right now. I think that's going to be really in because of Tiger King. That's my prediction. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think of my new bag. I'm going to enjoy this bag now, and get on a video Skype conference with a few of my friends. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and thanks for checking out my unboxing with me. Cheers!